Alright, now I'd like to show you how to quickly build a review site using Easy Empire Builder, Yellabot, and Review Spinner Pro. So the first thing we'll do is take a look at Yellabot. We'll browse to our United States yellowpages.com website. Type in our keyword, in this case, divorce attorneys, and San Francisco, California, and we'll click find. I've already done this search earlier, so to speed this thing up. But let's take a look at the results. We get about 6,000 results, and we just click begin extraction, and Yellabot will start going through and extracting all of the data for us. You can see it's going through about 30 pages at a time, and it's already up to about 150 pages now of data. So I'm going to click abort because I don't want to sit here and have you wait. We already got 240 listings, 8 duplicates were removed. This takes us to the table view where we can see all of the data that's extracted, and it goes all the way across here, different data for each site. So we got phone number. Now look at across the top, you can see the headings of each one of these fields. That'll come into play later. We click on export, we choose our file format, SQL, XML, CSV. Let's choose CSV format and comma delimited, and we'll hit export. Now export will export the database onto our desktop or wherever we want to save it. And now let's go ahead and go into Easy Empire Builder. I've already done the work here, most of the work here, but ordinarily what you would do is import the database into Easy Empire Builder by clicking choose file here, and then you would choose the format and hit import. And what you'll end up with is a bunch of tokens here that you can use to build some websites. Now pay attention to the field names here, the token names. They're exactly the same names as we saw in the table view. So the name, address, phone, etc., etc. Now these have become tokens that you can drag and pull in to different sections of your post template. So this is the post title, the title of the post, and this is the body of the post. And I've created just kind of a basic template. Pull in some data. You can also control the total number of posts. So this would be a 100-page website, which is what we're going to build for this demo. We could build a 1,000 or a 5,000 or 6,000. Actually, if you leave this at 0, it'll just build all 5,719 pages. But just for the sake of this demo, we'll just do 100 for now. This is the total number of posts per day. It's a date range, quantity range. This is the start date. And you can create categories, and you can create tags and do some SEO features as well. Won't go through all that. If you want to learn more about Easy Empire Builder, just go to easyempirebuilder.com. We have videos over there as well. So now that we're done with that, let's go over to the preview and save tab. You can click preview to preview the results, or you can go ahead and click save to post now to start building our 100-page website. If I click that, 5 minutes later our site's done. But before I do that, I want to take you over to the Review Spinner Pro setup. Here we got some basic features. You can turn it on review mode or comment mode, and you can set up the number of comments per post, a range, the number of days after publishing date over which comments will be spread, also a range, the percentage of users who will be assigned an avatar. Here are the different directories from where your images will be saved, your avatar images. Here are the post templates, and this is using spin text, as I mentioned earlier. Users just have a simple list of male or female usernames that you can pull off of the internet and just copy and paste in here. So you have a wide range of names that will be created for you. And then this is just the rating system. We have set this up. You can choose multiple rating systems. So let's say that you're building a restaurant review site. You might want to rate the atmosphere, the quality, and the location, say. So you would set those up here. This is pretty well set up for us. So let's hop back over to Easy Empire Builder, and we'll go ahead and build us a website real quick. Go to preview save, hit save to post now. And it's about the quickest 100-page website you will ever build. Alright, let's go ahead and view what this site looks like. Oh, it's a tragedy. It looks horrible. But just a few quick adjustments and things will start looking better. Let's go into my particular theme and we'll adjust the navigation settings, categories, and I'll start removing some of the ones that I don't want to show up there and pop back over and see what it looks like now. Okay, it looks a lot better. I just removed some of the clutter here. Another thing that we'd probably want to do is put some featured images into this particular theme. Let's see, Baker. Let's go the categories now. My default theme is divorce attorneys. Oh, well, sorry, I'm bouncing around here. Let's go in here, find Baker. You won't have to pay too close attention to this because you probably won't be doing this on your site unless you use the same exact theme that I'm using. Okay, so I've set up a featured image. I'll hit update. And now we'll have a nice, pretty little image here with our post. So each one of these featured posts would have an image associated with it. So let's go ahead and click through here. And here's what the page looks like. We have the name of the attorney. In some cases, it's the name of the attorney's office. We have the address and their phone number, and some links, some basic information. We got some tags. We have some Google AdSense ads, some banner ads. This is hosted on the CPA network, so sometimes that may not show up. Now it does. All right. So let's see. One thing we don't have, as you might have noticed, is any recent reviews. We do have the nice star rating system here, so if you wanted to leave a review right now, you could. And the reason we don't see any reviews is because we haven't yet come in and approved any. But you can see that there's 150 comments that have been created for us from Review Spinner Pro. Let's go ahead and go in and let's just auto approve a bunch of them. You know, ordinarily you wouldn't have to auto approve any of these because they would just automatically approve themselves over time. Based on our settings, these won't be posted until later on. But for this demo, I'm going to go ahead and approve some of them now. Okay, see if that did anything for us. Okay, so you can see some of the reviews are showing up now. More of them are. Okay, so let's go ahead and just take a look through here in a little bit more detail. We have the name of the office, their address, we have their phone number, we have some Google ads that are related, very related Google ads, which is great because you get paid really well for legal ads when you get some clicks on there. Now this is a Google map that shows the exact location of the office. Some more information and keywords. You can see that the name of the office is pulled in here. Got some tags, very targeted tags. These are all pulled from Yellabot. Some more ads here, and then the comment says, "This looks good. Would appreciate some input about Tamiko O'More Law Offices," and the rating. So this is going to entice people. If I come in and I've used Tamiko before, or I know the person, I might see them and come in and check it out, and then somebody's asking me some information about it. So I'm very likely to say, yeah, sure, I know them. Here's a little bit of information about them. So I type in something and I set my rating and I hit submit, and now we've just enticed a real visitor to leave a comment. All right, so there you have it. That's pretty much how this works. You can very quickly set up review sites in any niche. In this particular case, it was just divorce attorneys, but we could have chosen any niche at all. And you can very quickly set up sites like this. I'm telling you, you can go out and build yourself an entire network of sites. But anyway, for now, this is the way that it works. I hope that you like what you see, and I hope you'll pick up a copy of Review Spinner Pro and also a copy of Easy Empire Builder and Yellabot if you don't already have them. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Talk to you again soon.